Okay, well, the answer is just the same as if it would have been 100 cubic centimeters of each. You're going to mix two lots of 20 together. I'm sure you're going to end up with 20. Let's try this. Yeah, that's great. Okay, question 5. For this one, let's have beaker A at 50 degrees C. Ta-da! And beaker B we keep at 20. What temperature will the mix be? Well, just like before, I'm sure the mix will be somewhere in the middle, so that's halfway between 20 and 50 is 35. Let's try that. About there, and run 35. Yeah, we've got the hang of this. Okay, this is question 6, and this one I'm going to make a little bit more difficult by changing the quantities. I'm only going to have half the quantity in beaker B. I only have 50 cubic centimeters, and in A there's still 100 cubic centimeters. And A I'm going to make at 50 degrees C, and B I'm going to leave at 20 degrees C. What will the temperature of the mix be? Okay, now this is a bit more difficult than before. What you have to do is say you've got two parts at 50 and one part at 20. So two parts at 50 added together is 100, plus the one part at 20 is 120, and divide it by the three parts. 120 divided by 3 is 40. Okay, this is getting quite difficult now. 40. Oh, right, just as well. Okay, that's question 6. Okay, question 7. Let's have 50 cubic centimeters in beaker A and 100 cubic centimeters in beaker B. Let's make beaker A at 50 degrees C, and we'll keep beaker B at 20 degrees C. What will be the temperature of the mix? Okay, it's the same logic as before. We've got one part at 50, two parts at 20. 50 plus 20 plus 20 is 90, and divide it by three parts, and I'm sure the answer is 30. Come on, 30. Yeah, hopefully you'll. Okay, question 8. Let's have beaker A, let's reset it. Let's have beaker A at 50 cubic centimeters, beaker B at 100 cubic centimeters, and let's have them both this time at 50. What will be the temperature of the mix? Okay, well perhaps you can kind of work this out intuitively, but the idea is you've got 50 plus 50 plus 50 divided by 3. The answer is 50. I'm sure it's 50. Let's try. Ta-da! Okay, that's okay. Question 9. Let's have 100 cubic centimeters in beaker A. Let's have 50 cubic centimeters in beaker B. Let's have the 100 cubic centimeters in beaker A at 80 degrees centigrade, and let's have the 50 cubic centimeters in beaker B at 50 degrees centigrade. Okay, now this isn't going to be a nice number, but use the same logic as before. Good luck with it. That's your question. What will the temperature of the mix be? Okay. Well, we've got 2 parts at 80. 80 plus 80 is 160. And 1 part at 50. So that's 210. And divide that by the 3 parts is 70. Oh, it's not such a bad number. So let's try that. Let's move that up to 70. Like that. And try it. Fingers crossed. Great. Okay, 70 it is. Question 9. The Okay, question 10. Let's have 50 cubic centimeters in A at 80 and 100 cubic centimeters in B at 20 degrees C. What will be the temperature of the mix? Back to me. We've got 1 part at 80, 2 parts at 20, 80 plus 20 plus 20 is 120. Divide that by 3 and you're going to end up, I guess, with 40. There you go. That's great. Hopefully you got the hang of this now.